Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and delete LinkedIn account permanently. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, I want you to go ahead and open any browser that you want and simply go ahead and go into linkedin.com. Once you do that, make sure that you're logged in into the account that you want to go ahead and delete. Now, in order for you to go ahead and delete, all you need to do is on the top right, there's going to be your profile icon. Click on settings and privacy. Finally, once you've done that, scroll all the way down and there's gonna be a button that says close account. Once you go ahead and click on that, you're going to be taken to this page right over here. It says, are you sure you want to close your account? You'll lose connections, messages, endorsements, and recommendations. Click on continue. This draft receipt tell us the reason for closing your account. You can simply go ahead and choose any of these. So for example, I have privacy concern. Simply go ahead and enter your password right over here and just click on done, and your account will be deleted permanently. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.